In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a gift code. I'm sorry about that. So gift codes, as you can call from previous video, we create those for customers that we're giving store credit for. So so I'm just going to show you how to do that. So you'll come to the navigation bar up here, and you'll click gift card, and then click manage gift codes. And then when you're on this page, you will click up here at the top where it says gift code manager. You'll go over here where it says import gift codes or add a gift code. You're going to click add a gift code. And then this is kind of the format you have to use, these different symbols and brackets and stuff to create the code, but I'll show you basically how to do that. So you would type in a bracket to start, and then you could pick. So if you pick this top one, it gives you 8 alphabets. And if you pick the second one, it's 4 numbers, 4 random numbers. And then if you pick this third one, you get a mix between 6 alphabet and numeric numbers. So this is kind of an example of what the gift code could look like. But we obviously don't need to type in gift like they did there. So we'll go back up here. Sorry, I have something in my throat. We're going to type in, I'm going to do N period 2. So you don't have to put in 4 numbers if you don't want to. You could do as many as you want, but I'd limit it between 2 to 4 because you don't want something that's super, super long. It's irritating for you and for a customer. Then you put a dash, and you put in another bracket. Oh, excuse me. And then let's do a mix of the alphabet and numeric. So we're just going to do A, N, and we'll do 4 of those. Oops, wrong bracket, square bracket, and then do a little dash, do another bracket, and then let's do the alphabet as the last, and we'll do A, capital A, point 4 of those, and close the bracket. And then we are going to add let's see, what should we add the value to be? We're going to do it for $5 because we're just trying to show this an example. We don't need to put an excessive amount of money in there. So that's where you put the value of how much money you would be giving them. So if we're giving them 120, you just put in 120. And you probably want to type in not the money sign, just 120.00. So I'm going to do 5, so I'm going to put 5.00 in there. And then the currency right here, it has a drop down. You'll want to click that and change it to US dollars. You'll want to change it to US dollars. And then the template, you can select kind of what card they bought. So if they bought like wedding invitations or something like that, you would pick, or anything that's kind of the same size as a wedding invitation, you could just click the basic invite wedding template. So we'll do that. And you can see there's different ones to select. I'm just going to leave it on that first one. And then we're going to put it as active, because then that means it's usable. If it's disabled, then it's not a valid or active code that can be used anymore. And then you don't need to mess with the expiration, like expires on, so you don't have to set that at all. And then store view, you don't need to worry about that either. And you can leave a comment in here, so you would say something like gave refund or gave store credit because customer cards were damaged or something like that. And then that just knows, anyone who looks up this code would know why the code was created. So again, on this tab underneath the general information, the shopping cart conditions, that's not really anything you need to worry about. Same for under cart item conditions, that's not something you need to worry about either. And then message information, you don't really need to worry about either. You can put the customer's name and email in there if you want, but it's not required. So we're just going to leave it at that. And we're going to come back to our page, and we're going to click Save and Continue Edit up here, if you can see that. And it'll take a minute for my page to load, and then you'll see that code. So that code right here, 34-46J3-GFDH. So when you click that, it shows you your code, and you'd be able to copy this, and we have an email that you can send where you can paste in that code for customers, so they can have that and use that. And that is pretty much how you create a gift code. So if you do have any other questions about this process, don't hesitate to ask your manager or trainer, and they should be able to help you with those questions. Have a good day.